The Gosling Apex Assist Boot Hoist is a 4-way powered boot hoist designed to assist in loading a mobility scooter or wheelchair into a vehicle. A boot hoist can increase independence by removing the requirement for somebody to physically lift a mobility device into the vehicle. In this video, we will cover some of the features and advantages, as well as demonstrating how to safely operate the boot hoist. Each boot hoist is designed to fit the specific model of vehicle. Most designs require the boot hoist to be attached to the vehicle at 3 points, ensuring it is secure and can safely load the required weight. Any required cuts to the vehicle trim to allow for the hoist to attach to the vehicle will be kept to a minimum to provide the most aesthetically pleasing finish possible. Please note that the suitability of any boot hoist depends on the vehicle it is to be fitted to, and also which mobility device is going to be lifted. It is important that you consider the compatibility of the size of the boot opening with the mobility device you are wanting to load. Please also note that even though some items can be particularly light, manual wheelchairs, for example, due to their size, can still be a challenge to accommodate into a vehicle using a boot hoist. Please contact our fantastic team who will be happy to guide you through the compatibility process. Our vehicle's specific boot hoist is quiet during operation and has been developed with a slimline arm design to maximize the available loading height. We also offer a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Depending on the combination of vehicle and mobility device, you may need to fold, adjust, or remove parts of the mobility device or vehicle to prepare them for loading. Common adjustments are removing the seat from a mobility scooter and folding down the tiller or folding down seats within the vehicle. Your installer should be able to advise of what would be required before installing your boot hoist. With the vehicle parked on flat ground, to operate the boot hoist, turn the switch on so it is illuminated green. The 4 buttons on the control pad correspond to the 4 axes in which the hoist can move: up, down, in, and out. In most circumstances, your mobility device will be connected to the boot hoist spreader bar via a lifting bracket. A suitable lifting bracket will be connected to your mobility device to enable the boot hoist to load it balanced and securely. Once the mobility device is positioned at the rear of the vehicle, operate the hoist arm out and then down so the straps are close to the lifting bracket, and then attach the straps securely. In this video, we are using a conventional key plate fixing. In some instances, it is necessary to use different fixings, but your installer will be able to advise of any specific requirements for your chosen combination. The hoist can then be operated to lift the mobility device and position it into the vehicle. Please be mindful that when loading or unloading your mobility device, it is recommended to gently guide and turn it to ensure it goes through the boot opening safely. Once the mobility device is loaded into the boot, it can be gently lowered onto the boot floor. For safety, a restraint strap is provided so the mobility device can be secured to the hoist. The restraint strap should be placed around a suitable part of the mobility device. Once you have finished operating the boot hoist, switch it off, store the handset in a suitable location, and ensure the tailgate can be safely closed. Further information and some frequently asked questions are available on our website, but please feel free to contact us for any further information on the Gosling Apex Assist Boot Hoist.